got the instructions and everything, and I'm attempting to test the lavalier mic to see if it'll work with the camera. I don't know what I'm doing.
What's up? My name is Melody Angel, and this is my life. Well, sometimes anyway. This is an inside look into the everyday life of an independent artist. Welcome to my vlog.
I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. Okay. Oh boy, it's paired. Okay, it's paired because they're both lit up green. You got the DB button. I'm not clipping, but is this picking up? Is the audio picking up on the camera? I'm not gonna know that until I take this out and put it on the computer to see if the sound is working. There's literally no more instructions after that. Okay, that's it. No more steps. So, and then when the pocket wireless receiver is turned on, the power LED will be green. Connect the pocket wireless receiver and camera or recording device with the included yeah, I didn't do that. That's what that cable is for. Come on, focus. Focus. So this is bad audio. All of this, what I'm saying, is bad audio. Okay, it came with these two cables. One of them is for the camera, and the other one is for my iPhone, because you can hook this up to your iPhone. So this comes with two things. I just have to. It's this one. Okay, I got the lav mic on. It should be working. This is a test, obviously. There's no more instructions, so I really hope this is working. Anyway, I'm gonna test this. I'm moving around. The focus box is trying to catch my face. I'm too quick, too quick. Wah, defense, defense. Anyway, man, I hope this really works. This audio situation, I'm telling you. First of all, let me get the box. So I got this, which is the DEITY Pocket Wireless. And I got the DEITY instead of the, I was gonna get the other one, what's it called? The Go-To. But I didn't want to pay the extra $100 for a receiver I didn't need. Then I saw the DEITY, and the reviews for this were not perfect, but it was what I needed. I needed something that could hook up to my iPhone and my camera easily, and something that didn't look like my other mic. Let me show you the mic that I usually put on top of the camera. I should have got this stuff out. When I'm out and about in the world, I have to have this, which is my mic, okay, attached to the camera, this really big thing. And then if it's windy, I had to put this big giant dead cat on the camera. Both of these things make me stick out like a sore thumb. Both of these things make it very difficult to film anywhere but your home. I wanted something that didn't bring so much attention to myself. And these wireless mics fit that like a T. It doesn't look like a microphone. And I can easily, with the lav mic, I can have this. And if I do the lav mic properly, I could do this, like put this under my shirt and like really you wouldn't know what was going on, what I was doing. You would see I had a camera, but that's it. And taking pictures isn't a crime. You know, they don't know what I'm doing, right? So it's gonna be helpful. It's gonna be helpful. Second reason why I wanted a wireless setup, I move around a lot. You know, it's really hard. You want to get a certain shot, you want to do a certain angle, but if I stand this far away from the camera with my other microphone, with this one, You know, the audio the crisp, clean audio, you need to be like this close. So that means the camera has to be this close because it's attached. Sometimes I want to step away. So I would literally have to be this close to camera to get decent audio. And if I moved back here, it would change the whole thing. Then I would hear the room more and it would just sound terrible. I spend more time mixing the audio than I do mixing my videos. This is the test, and I'm gonna come back after I take this video and put it onto my editing software, Final Cut Pro. I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it. Did this work? Is this the answer to all my prayers as far as audio is concerned? Can I now freely make a video, spin around, run back and forth, exercise, talk to you on my runs? Can I come in? Can I back out? You know what I mean? Am I free? You know? Is this it? Is this it? I really hope this is it. I think you are. I think you're the answer. It works. DEITY! DEITY! It works. I'm happy, y'all. I'm like, you just don't know. I'm obviously not a reviewer. I don't really review things. But I thought it would be beneficial for you guys out there who just want somebody's real opinion that doesn't regularly review stuff, just to say, I recommend this, I love it. It does exactly what it said it does. It's easy, you know, at first I thought I wasn't doing it right because it was so simple to set up. You know how something is so simple to set up, you think you're doing it wrong? That's basically what happened to me. But it comes with its own lav mic, I don't know, which is awesome. The go-to doesn't come with anything. You gotta buy everything as an accessory with that thing. That was another thing. It was $100 more, and you had to buy all these accessories to make it work the way you needed it to. I was like, no. What else can I tell you about this thing? Comes in this really good case. Comes with this really good case, which is very important because all my stuff, I keep them in their cases that they came in so nothing gets broken when I'm transporting all my audio equipment. You never have to worry about your stuff getting broken in transit. I know there's a lot of talking in this video. It's basically just all talking and just testing and blah, blah, blah. But this was a review, so that's why. Every day is another day. Right. Anyway, be good to each other. I love y'all. See you tomorrow. Peace.